Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete all of your Facebook posts quickly and easily. So whether you're looking to clean up your timeline or you just want to start fresh, this video is going to show you exactly how to do that. And let's get into it. And first things first, let's open up the Facebook application on either your computer or mobile device and make sure you're logged into the account that you want to manage. Then we need to come over to our profile by clicking on our profile icon in the top left here. And once you're on your Facebook profile, just head over to these three horizontal dots, click on activity log, and from the left hand side we need to come down to your Facebook activity and just select this drop down here, then come down to posts and expand this drop down, and then finally we need to select your posts, photos and videos. So from here, if we want to go ahead and just delete all of our posts from the past, we can do that by selecting this all checkbox at the top here and then coming over to the recycle bin, and we just simply need to select move to trash. Now that's going to go ahead and delete everything. Now an alternative way of doing this, rather than just deleting everything permanently, what we can do is select change audience at the top here, and you can just change this from public and friends to only yourself, and that way it's going to keep all of your posts on your timeline, but they'll only be visible to yourself and none of your friends or the public will be able to see them. So it really comes down to personal preference here. You have two different ways of doing this. Remember as well that once you've deleted your posts, you won't be able to recover them, so just make sure you're certain before deleting. If you have found this video useful, then please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.